His first car, he called it a quadricycle. That's his wife, Clara. He began with an idea that most people thought wouldn't work, but he made it work. And the tools he used were common sense, ingenuity, and perseverance, along with a natural instinct for knowing how to put machines together and make them run. For instance, here's the way they assemble the spokes and make the wheels for the Model T Ford in Highland Park, Michigan. Our factories convert to the production of engines and arms. Here's how they put them together at the Highland Park plant. A car comes off the end of the line every 10 seconds. There's one car that takes you anywhere you want to go, the Model T. Strong, sturdy, with a will of its own. Dealers sell them in just about every town in the land. There's no end to what you can do when you own a car. No longer locked on the land, the farmer's wife can get away from the farm for a while and take the baby down the road for a visit. Watch, that bear is hungry. For a real vacation, nothing beats a camping trip. Picnics in the park or alongside the lake. The age of the automobile changes nearly every aspect of American life. The tempo quickens in city and country. No longer a luxury, almost everyone can afford to own a car. And sometimes it seems that we're all on the road at the same time.